Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in the mail today. This huge package got delivered and I'm seriously so excited. It's going to be a little try on haul as well. So I hope you guys like it. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell notification next to it so you can get notified the next time I upload. I'm doing daily videos for the month of May, and I've also been doing shoutouts in every video, which has been so much fun, and I'm so beyond grateful for all of you guys who have been participating and watching my videos and subscribing. You guys seriously mean the world to me and I love you guys so much. All the details on how to get a shout out are in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out so you don't miss your opportunity. Today's post notification goes out to Sammy. My favorite look was number 4. Pink and yellow are my favorite colors. So cheery and bright. Hashtag notification squad. Thank you so much for turning my notifications on, following along, and leaving such a sweet comment. And then my comment of the day goes out to Justice. So very cute, Kelly. Thank you so much. I'm so happy you like my videos, and thank you so much for leaving a comment. I do read and respond back to all comments, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys, so definitely leave a comment down below. I do read them and I do respond, and I just think it's so much fun. But let's just get right into the unboxing. So this package is from TopItOff, and they sent this to me. They reached out to me via Instagram, which my Instagram handle is just like Kellyprepster. All my social medias are listed down below in case you guys want to check out. On my Instagram I post a lot of fashion and outfits, all that kind of stuff, along with like makeup videos, and follow me along and get a little closer look of my life on my Instagram stories. So this is from them. I will have their company website listed down below along with their socials and what they sent me in case you guys are interested in any of these pieces. They said, thanks for doing this, Kelly, much love, heart, TopItOff. And then it just has their details to get a hold of them, which was seriously so sweet. I love when companies do these handwritten notes. They're so thoughtful. So it just says, thanks for shopping, come back and check out what's new, and tag them on social media. So in case you guys are interested, use the hashtag shop TopItOff, which is their brand. And then it has some paper. And I got 4 items from them, and I'm seriously so excited because look how pretty this is. Pink is by far my favorite color, and there's so much pink stuff, you guys. So this is one of their dresses, and it's such a soft material, you guys. It's 95% polyester, which is so polyester, which is just like a great summertime material, and it's wrinkle resistant, which is great because I don't know about you guys, but when I sit down, especially in dresses or something where I'm out, it gets all like wrinkly at the legs just because of how you're sitting. So this is going to be so nice, and they just have super cute little tag logos on here, and it says I'm wrinkle resistant, and I got everything in a size small. So this is one of their sleeveless shift dresses, which I just think is seriously so stinking cute and gonna be perfect for the summer. I'm so excited to try this out, and I saw this print on their website and I was like, oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. I kind of get a Lily Pulitzer vibe with it as well, so it's just really fun. And I love the print so much that I got another item from them in that print. This is one of their skirts, but it actually has like shorts underneath, which is so nice for summertime or just when you're out and about. And this says, I'm perfect for traveling, and it is wrinkle resistant as well. I got this in a size small, and there's like the little tags. I just think they're so cute, and it has little pockets on the back and pockets on the front. I think this is going to be so cute. I feel like a white t-shirt or like even this navy would look fun with it. And then I got another pink item. This one's kind of a different material. I wonder what it is. This is 95 polyester. Okay. And I really thought this one was so cute because it has this bell sleeve detailing, which I just think is so flattering on and so girly and so fun. And I love this. It's just kind of like a simple t-shirt, swing dress, but also kind of like a shift. And I just thought this would be perfect for the summertime. And I love how bright this pink is, you guys. It's not neon, but it's really, really bright. Like kind of like a baby pink, but a little bit like neon, but it's not. I love this. The last item that I got is another skirt, and this is the blue one, and oh my goodness, you guys, does this not scream summertime? It's seriously so cute. It has like the little white button, it has pockets on the back, and then it has the shorts underneath. This is seriously so stinking cute. So a huge shout out to TopItOff for sending these to me. I can't wait to style them and share them over on my Instagram along with you guys over here on YouTube. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments down below which item one was your favorite, which one could you see yourself wearing, and be sure to check them out on their social media and their website. I will have it all listed down below in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next video. Bye guys!